Vaccination is the very best way to prevent influenza and to protect yourself, your family, your coworkers, and your community. But because the protection that vaccine provides tends to go down over a period of several months, now they think that October is kind of the best balance between making sure you get vaccinated before the season begins and then also still having a high level of protection once there's flu in the community. Each year, influenza causes thousands of deaths, perhaps hundreds of thousands of hospitalizations, and millions of infections in the United States. And influenza vaccination can protect against those infections, but it's important because if you get vaccinated, it not only will protect you, but it also protects those who you come in contact with. And that includes people in your family, people in your community, people at work. If there is someone in your house who can't be as well protected by vaccination, either perhaps an elderly relative or parent, or someone who's too young to be vaccinated, getting your flu shot is particularly important because then you won't bring the infection home and potentially infect those very vulnerable people.
For more information, visit the Health Department's webpage.